Welcome to Grow with Technology. I'm your host, Richard Butler Jr. Today, we'll be discussing how to develop a business strategy for your business. A business strategy is a plan of action that outlines your goals, objectives, and tactics for achieving success. It's a critical component of any business, whether you're a startup or an established company. In this episode, we'll explore the essential steps to developing a successful business strategy, as well as a guest audio called Your Purpose is Calling. So in this first segment, here are the 10 steps on how to develop a business strategy for your business. Step 1, define your purpose. The first step in developing a business strategy is to define your purpose. What is your mission? What are your values? What do you want to achieve? Answering these questions will help you identify your core purpose and values, which will guide your strategic decisions. Step 2, conduct a SWOT analysis. Once you've defined your purpose, it's time to conduct a SWOT analysis. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. A SWOT analysis helps you identify your strengths and weaknesses, as well as external opportunities and threats. This information will help you develop a strategy that leverages your strengths and opportunities while mitigating your weaknesses and threats. Step 3, identify your target markets. After conducting a SWOT analysis, it's time to identify your target markets. Who are your customers? What are their needs? What are their pain points? Answering these questions will help you develop a strategy that meets the needs of your target audience. Step 4, define your competitive advantage. Once you've identified your target markets, it's time to define your competitive advantage. What sets you apart from your competitors? What unique value do you offer? Answering these questions will help you develop a strategy that differentiates you from the competition. Step 5, set SMART business goals. After defining your competitive advantage, it's time to set SMART business goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Setting SMART goals will help you stay focused and motivated and make it easier to track your progress. Step 6, make a plan. Once you've set your SMART goals, it's time to make a plan. This involves identifying the tactics and resources you'll need to achieve your goals. You can use online tools such as Trello, Asana, or Monday.com to create a plan and track your progress. Step 7, figure out which competencies are needed. After making a plan, it's time to figure out which competencies are needed to beat your competition and sustain your business success. This involves identifying the skills and knowledge you'll need to execute your plan successfully. You can use online tools such as LinkedIn Learning, Udemy, or Coursera to acquire new competencies. Step 8, build your business force. Once you've identified the competencies you'll need, it's time to build your business force. This involves hiring employees, contractors, or freelancers to help you achieve your goals. You can use online platforms such as LinkedIn and Upwork to find talent. Step 9, monitor your progress. Once your business strategy is up and running, it's important to monitor your progress. This involves tracking your financials, analyzing your marketing efforts, and making adjustments as needed. Step 10, stay committed. Building a successful business strategy takes time and effort. It's important to stay committed to your goals and persevere through challenges. Remember, failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of the journey. Now, in this segment of Grow with Technology podcast, our guest will give some information on the topic, Your Purpose is Calling. Check this out.
6 reasons why finding your purpose matters. At first glance, it might not seem important to live your life with purpose. After all, so long as you get through the day and are reasonably happy or content, it's all good, right? Not really. Without purpose, you're missing out. What happens when you try to live your life without purpose? Purpose gives drive. Purpose gets us going and makes us eager to start the day. Without purpose, you might feel your day is aimless to the point where there's no reason to try setting goals. Left unchecked, this can affect mood and even lead to depression. It's no wonder purpose is one of the most important things to drive us forward. Purpose builds relationships. Purpose is one of those things which really bring people together. Having common interests and goals creates strong bonds. Without purpose, you might find it harder to connect to others, especially on a deeper level. Purpose gives direction. Decisions can seem difficult sometimes when you have no purpose. When you are not working toward a goal or interest, it's easy to waver or let others lead the way. But purpose means you weigh decisions against what's important to you, meaning you honor yourself. More important, you keep to your own set of values every time you're faced with a choice. Purpose gives value. Without purpose, you might wonder whether you're making a difference. In contrast, purpose tells you you're making a difference and adding something to the world with every action that honors this purpose. Purpose reduces the need to keep up with others. If you worry about what others are accomplishing, it's probably because you're unsure of your own purpose. With purpose, it becomes less important what those around you are doing because you're more interested in your own personal journey. Purpose reduces stress. We experience stress most when things around us feel out of control. With purpose, you know your direction and have a pretty solid idea of what you need to do to get where you want to go. Even more important is how purpose helps you get back on track if you're sidelined for a crisis, giving you firm direction and control when things around you feel like they're out of your hands. This all reduces stress and helps you deal with challenges calmly and reasonably. With purpose, your life changes for the better. It's no wonder taking the time to figure out what you're all about is crucial to a healthy and happy life. Take the time for yourself. You won't regret it.
Developing a successful business strategy is critical to achieving your goals and objectives. By following these essential steps, you can turn your dream into a reality. Thank you for tuning in to Grow with Technology. Until next time, keep innovating, keep adapting, and keep grooving to the rhythm of progress.